Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and price prediction of Ontology ONT coin, and definitely I will tell you my next medium duration, short term duration and long duration target for this token right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. In this video I will do technical analysis of ONT coin on both pairs with BTC and with USDT pair. That is why please watch this video complete and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. This is CoinGecko page of Ontology and it is currently trading at $1.76 and price decreased 1.9% in 24 hours. Current market cap of this token is 1.4 billion. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 853 million. Circulating supply of this token is 807 million. Maximum supply of this token is 1 billion. And 24-hour low price of this token is 1.71 and 24-hour high price of this token is $1.90. Current rank of this token is 78, and this is the tab will lead you to the website. This will take time, and let me please show you some other statistics, and after that I will show you the website. In 30 days this token gives 90% profit to its holder, which is very good. In 1 year this token gives 370% profit to its holders. That is very good. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.07%. All-time high of this token was $10.92 and it was on March 3, 2018, almost 3 years ago. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was $0.23. This token is available on these exchanges: Binance, UB Global, DigiFinex, OK Exchange, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. And if you want to open a Bybit exchange account, this is the link. And let me please show you the website. This is the website, and please do your own research before buying this token. I will not responsible any of your financial loss. This video is just for informational purpose only, and do your own research before entering in this or before buying this token. And I think this token can give you a good profit in this year 2021. Why I am saying this, I will tell you in this video. Please do your own research before entering in any coin or before buying any coins. So please, and let me please dive into the charts and let me please show you what are the targets right now. This is the Ontology US dollar 1 week Binance chart. I will do technical analysis on weekly chart because for more accuracy. It is currently at $1.74, and how beautifully it breaks this upside resistance, which was at $1.70. Here you can see. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see. And once it break this, then definitely it have to hit this target. We have to wait. Maybe it will go up like this, and after that it will go down to retest this zone, which is 1.70 to $1.80, and after that it will go up. After that, in that case, what will be the target? In that case, once it break this horizontal resistance, in that case our target will be this. This will be our target, $3.27, or you can say this will be our target, 2.92. You can say 2.92 will be our first target and 3.27 will be our second target. These are the targets, and it will take time, but definitely I think this token can hit this, because it is available on very cheap and very cheap price, and it is in at bottom right now. And let me please show you what is the next. The next zone is this horizontal resistance, which is $6.92, I think. Then it have to hit this zone very, I think so. Once it break this $2.92, then this will be the zone, and it will give you 300% profit once it hit $6.92. And let me please show you the chart. And if it hit its all-time high again in this year, in that case this token can give you 600% profit, which is very good profit, I think so. And I think this token is available in very cheap price right now, and if you buy this token, then buy at your own risk. And if you buy this, then definitely I think that this token can hit this target, and this is the target of 2021. I think this in 2021 this token can hit again its all-time high. And let me please show you some other possibilities. Once it break this all-time high, in that case it can go to this, hit this, because in that case it will be like a cup and handle. Here you can see like that. And in that case, let me please show you. In that case it have to hit this zone. $24, and this will give you again 100% profit. And let me please remove this, and let me please show you. If you buy this token from this price, and in that case if this token hit its all-time high, then this token can give you approximately 1200% profit, I think, which is very good profit. And this is the target. This is the target of 2021. I think this token can hit this target within 2021. 2.92 is our immediate short-term target. 3.2 you can say it can hit within some days, and after that these are two targets, $24 and $24 is our target, sorry. And let me please show you the BTC chart, ONT BTC pair. Currently it is available at 2,930 Satoshi is the price. And let me please arrange this chart. Let me please do this. Here you can see all-time high of BTC was 1,23,000 Satoshi, and after that it is very much available in very much low price, just 2,900 Satoshi, 2,930 Satoshi. In that case, let me please show you what will be our target. It is at its bottom, I think so, and once it hit this zone, the upside resistance, this upside resistance will give you 300% profit, 300% profit, just one move. And after hitting this, the next target will be, let me please label on this, and after hitting this it can hit this next resistance zone, which will give you 1,000% profit. And once upside rally start, After that, definitely it will go up. And there are very much chances in BTC pair that this token will give you maximum gain. It is 1400% and it is 2400% profit if it hit this zone. And if it hit its all-time high, in that case it will give you 4000% profit within 2021, and I think so. And maybe in this bull run it can hit, but you have to wait. And I think, to be very realistic, it should have to hit this zone and should have to hit this target, which is, let me please show you. I think this is very realistic, and within 6 months I think this token can hit this target, 44,067,670 Satoshi. And after that, this token can hit this zone and can give you the profit like this. And I think from the beginning, that is the beginning, this token can give you 24x, I think so, within this year. If it hit this zone again, which is 77,079 Satoshi, in that case it will give you 24x, and this is the target. And these are very realistic targets, and I think these 4 targets this token ONT can hit within 2021. And friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now, and please join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram channel I regularly update and regularly post charts on my Telegram. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.